Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, it's a Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, make me give the headlines. MP want tougher punishment for people who thief cable wire. Double shooting go on in a Manchester and Clarendon. 2 men dead after them go for buy cow in a St. Ann. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. Juliet Cuthbert Finn, who the Member of Parliament for St. Andrew West Rural, says she want tougher punishment for the people them who go around and thief the cable wire them. She said this yesterday when she did talk about the state of constituency debate in the House of Representatives. She said when people thief the copper cable them who use for communication, this bother the picnic them who do the online class them. On top of that, she said the thief them forget tougher punishment so them stop do this and make the use of technology safer. This come after some people thief some copper cable in a Padmore St. Andrew and this stop some picnic from do them online class them. The Manchester and Clarendon police are looking at 2 double shooting were go on yesterday morning. 2 people get shot in a Ferrans Paul in Manchester. In a Clarendon, gunman shot 2 men. One of the man them who are 19 years old they in a serious condition in a hospital. 2 men who nobody could find after them left for buy cow in a St. Ann Monday dead. The dead man, a 76 years old Samuel Johnson and 40 years old Richard Harris. The 2 men come from Wattown in a St. Ann. The 2 men did get shot. According to Shernette Johnson Todd, who are Mr. Johnson's daughter, she think them rob and kill her father. She say her father always keep him car clean and neat, so when one police officer tell her how her father car did look, she know something been wrong. The police charge one teenage boy for stab and kill one another teenage boy in a one Cascas. Him get charged Monday after police asked him some question in front of him lawyer. According to the police report, the teenager and 16 years old Dominic Deere, who people call Papa Bear, who come from McIntyre Villa in a Kingston 16, catch up in a some Cascas. Them same use one knife for stab Deere. People call the police and them rush to Deere hospital where doctor say him dead. The police are set one court date for the teenager who do the killing. The wanted man from America, who did go missing when him come off of the Carnival cruise ship couple weeks back, get charged $8 grand for go against the Immigration Act. The man at 20 years old Garfield Sewell, who come from Atlanta, Georgia. Him go before the St. Ann Parish Court yesterday. Before him get sentenced, the court found out him real name and Eric Lott who him coming out the country with. Sewell a go stay in a lockup until them send him back go America where him wanted for enough crime. One of them have to kill Smaddy. The Jamaica Fugitive Apprehension Team, the Area Apprehension Team, U.S. Marshals did a look for Sewell for 12 days until them catch him in a St. Ann. People, but just remember when I said the curfew around from 8 p.m. tonight and done 5 a.m. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.